Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial we are going to learn how we can customize animation. Before you customize animation, you have to first of all specify the slide. So this is the slide we would like to work with to help us go through this tutorial. Now to customize an animation, it means that you have to first of all specify even the text that you want to animate. So after specifying that this is the text, then now you can go to the animations tab. From the animations tab, you click on custom animation. So when you click on custom animation, we have the custom animation task pane displayed on the right side of the screen. And from this pane, we have got this add effect button, which is active. Now we shall work with this add effect button to enable us go ahead and make this customization we want. So we shall click on add effect button. Now when you click on that button, we have got these options displayed. We have the entrance option. So you can decide to work with this entrance option if you'd like to change how the selected text will appear or will be displayed on the slide. Then with this emphasis, you will work with it if you want to draw the attention of your audience to the selected text. So that is when you can decide to work with this option for emphasis. Then we have the exit, which enables us to change the way the selected text will disappear from our slide. And lastly, we have this motion path, which helps us to move the selected object to a specific point within a given slide or screen that you are working with. We shall look at only one or two options under the add effect button. Then I will encourage you to try other options. So assuming you want to change how the selected text, which is the types of networks, should be displayed or should appear on the page, then you work with this entrance option. Now from there we have got these options which you can now decide to work with. If the choice you want to make is not on these options, then you will always click on the more effects. Then you have those other effects as we can see from the screen. So assuming you would like to work with the random effects, then you will click on the random effect. Then that effect will be applied to the selected text within your slide. After selecting that given effect, then you will click on OK. So when you click on OK, we have some more options that are added onto the slide. One is this figure 1, which is known as the number label. So this number label helps to guide you that this is the first, or there is an effect added to this placeholder or to the selected text. Then this same number label will always also appear from this custom animation task pane, as we can see, specifying that there is an effect known as the random effect, which will only work on click, as we can see on click. Then the random effect is the name of the effect that we have applied to this selected text. Still, from this area it will show you that this effect is applied to title 1, which is named types of networks. So that is the meaning of that part. Then also you can still see that we have options here where we can modify the effect that we have applied to the selected text. How do you want it to start? Is it on click, or with previous, or after previous? So here you make the choice. If it is on click, you select on click. Then now you're done with putting the settings to or customizing that animation to the selected text. We can have a preview by clicking on the preview button, and that is how that effect works on that very text. Then also we have the slide show. So with the slide show, it will help you to see how the selected text will appear on our slide. So when you click on it, then it will not be there because we said it should only work on click. So I will click, and there we have the effect applied on our slide. We can also add other effects to this text. So we want to apply to all, then I will select the entire placeholder. Since we already have our custom animation task pane opened, I will just go to add effect. Now from this add effect, like we said, we have the entrance, we have the emphasis, we have the exit. So you will make choice as per now. Let's now work with the emphasis. Then we say spin. So I will click on spin. So you can see what is happening on the selected text. So that is the custom animation effect that we have applied to those selected text. If we have if we can play this slideshow, then we shall see how the text will appear on the slideshow. Then, like the other previous settings, here you can also modify how this pin effect will work on a given slide. Is it on click? You can also try to change this setting of amount, and you make it the way you want it. You can also try to set the speed to that one you desire. If you say very slow, then it will really be very slow. If you say slow, then you click, and that is what will happen to that text that is selected. So if you click on this slideshow button, then you will be in position to see how the different effects we have applied to the text will be displayed on your screen. We can see the number labels on these different points of the slide. Just like I said, it is indicating that on this very text there is an effect, and even on this one there is an effect. That is why we see these number labels there. I only encourage you to try these other remaining options that we have not talked about and see how they work. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.